friends, on this video how you can solve this charging problem on your infinix smartphone. And friends, sometimes even the new mobile phone used to show off the problems. Okay, example like the charging it's not working, or whenever you insert your charging but it's not working. Okay, it's not charging up, or your mobile phone used to be too hot, or sometimes it's charging but it's not like it's too, I don't know, it's many problems. Okay, the charging is to crash up, or it's shown different problem. Okay, it's okay, you can solve this different type of problems. And friends, before we solve this problems, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, friends, if you are facing the problems, please check your charger. Who knows your charger cable wire or the charger adapter? If you don't know that, I can show you right now. So here is the adapter. Okay, this adapter may be problem in your charging problem. Okay, this may be problem, or this cable wire may be problem. So that's why you just need to check your adapter and the cable wire by the another adapter and by another cable wire. Okay, so here is my new adapter. I just insert my this cable wire under this adapter. I just insert this one. After this, friends, let's charge our mobile phone. Okay, you have to follow these steps. Okay, if your adapter is problem, then it's good. It's it's good, I mean, I want to say that it's your mobile phone battery, or you can say your mobile phone doesn't have any problems. Okay, it's under the adapter or the cable wire. Okay, if this is not the problem, another problem you are facing, then it's okay, friends, just leave alt here, okay, on this side. And now let's move on setting. Just tap on setting. After you move on setting, friends, you have to move on Google file. So here is my Google file. I just tap on my Google file. After I click my Google file, friends, the Google file will show up like this. And here you have to move on this, scroll down, then you have to click here on apps. After you tap on apps, friends, here you have to click on system apps, then you have to scroll down. You have to click on this Android system 3 dot, then click on app info. Then here you have to clear this storage. Okay, storage and cache, you have to clear this storage and click on the back button. And under this system UI also, you have to do the same thing. Here is the cell status, and if you want to know another many of the options, then you can find here. Just scroll down. Okay, but I don't have here many of the options. It's okay. So friends, through this also you can fix your problem. And if you are facing the hot problem, then whenever you are charging your mobile phone, do not play the video, or do not use any of the apps that can make your battery in problem. And do not play games, okay, whenever your phone is in charging. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, if you are still facing the problem, then it may be damage under the battery, so you can just move on service center. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.